Welcome. If you want to get Skype on your Huawei P40 Lite 5G, for the first you have to download this application on the smartphone with the Play Store. So I did it on my Huawei P30 Pro. And after that we have to move for the phone clone application that we are going to use to transfer data. So let's open it on the both smartphones. Click here the old phone, and on your P40 Lite 5G tab, this is the new phone. Select old phone type, so in my case this one is also Huawei. And right now we can connect in the two ways. We can scan this code and we can input the password manually. So we have to pick your way. Right now they are connecting, so we have to wait. Click right here on this marker to unselect other things. Scroll down at the bottom, go for the apps and the data. And right now we have to find Skype. It will be right here. So just select, click OK, tap transfer, input your current log method. Click OK and just wait on your P40 Lite 5G and it's finished. So right now we can finish the process and open Skype. And right now we can easily log into our account. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.